The 2013 Audi Nanuk Quattro concept. It looks like the Sport Quattro won't be the only concept Audi will display at the 2013 Frankfurt Motor Show. Don't be shocked at how familiar this concept looks, as Audi teamed up with Italdesign Giugiaro, the same folks that brought you the wildly styled 2014 Parcour, to develop this model. The new Nanook concept is a two-door crossover powered by a V10 TDI engine, and if you remember, this is not the first concept offered by Audi to feature a TDI engine. We saw a TDI-powered concept at the 2008 Detroit Auto Show where Audi unveiled the R8 V12 TDI concept. This makes us hope that the previously rumored R8 TDI supercar could become a reality after all, especially if you take a closer look at the output delivered by the Nanook. As Nanuk is no ordinary name, and Audi didn't bother to offer us any explanation on choosing it, we did a little research and found out that in Inuit mythology Nanuk was the master of bears, who decided if the hunters deserved success in finding and hunting bears. Trying to figure out what this has to do with cars is enough to make your head spin, but car naming has become a rather odd thing in recent years. Click past the jump to read more about the Audi Nanuk Quattro concept. Exterior. Of course, the new Nanuk Quattro concept features no ordinary Audi language, but, according to the company, it opens a new chapter in the Audi design language. Up front, it offers a flat version of Audi's famous hexagonal single-frame grille, dynamic daytime running lights with Audi's new Matrix LED technology. Rounding out the odd front styling are large air inlets with 3 upright bars, giving the front end that signature Audi look. On the sides, you will notice the signature Audi sharp blister edge. When the doors pop open, they do so in an upward motion at an angle. Aligning with the recent rage in automotive styling, the exterior mirrors were replaced by wing-shaped cameras. On the back side, this, dare we say, unique concept gets a diffuser hiding the 2 round tailpipes of the exhaust system, and a large window that offers a complete view of the TDI engine. To help keep the concept light, all of the components were made from carbon fiber reinforced polymer (CFRP), and the Frankfurt-bound concept will wear an extreme red exterior paint. Dimensions. Interior. The interior design was kept as simple as possible and is focused on the area around the steering wheel and the center tunnel, including the air suspension controls, Navi controls, infotainment functions and the turn signals. This design gives the driver clean and easy access to all the buttons and controls. Directly in front of the driver is a high-tech instrument cluster that lacks any physical dials, but is instead all digital dials and fully programmable. The entire interior dons gray leather with aluminum accents on the instrument panel, and smatterings of CFRP throughout. The seats feature folding backs, pronounced side bolsters and integrated head restraints for a tight embrace around corners, plus they are power adjustable to boot. Drivetrain, suspension and brakes. Tipping the scales at 1,900 kilograms (4,188 pounds) means that the Nanuk needs some serious power to make it worthwhile. Well, this is one thing that it certainly does not lack, as it carries a newly developed 5.0-liter V10 TDI engine that churns out over 400 kilowatts (544 horsepower) and 1,000 newton-meters (737 pound-feet) of torque, which Audi mounted in a rear midship position for extra stability. This powerful diesel mates to a 7-speed S-tronic transmission that sends power to all 4 wheels through a specially designed Quattro drivetrain. The drivetrain sprints the Nanuk 100 km per hour (62 miles per hour) in just 3.8 seconds, and up to a top speed of 305 km per hour (189 miles per hour). All this while delivering a fuel economy of 30.16 US mpg on average. All of this power is useless without a little control, and 22-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance tires sized 235/50 series up front and 295/45 on the rear help out. Also chiming in on the handling front is an adaptive air suspension with electronically controlled dampers that allow the driver to adjust the ground clearance in 3 stages: normal 30 mm (1.18 in), lower, and 40 mm (1.57 in) higher. Another new feature is integral steering, which helps resolve the conflict between dynamic handling and stability, depending on the car's speed. Bringing this hefty concept to a stop is a carbon ceramic brake system. Drivetrain specifications. Pricing. Don't expect to ever see the Nanook concept put into production, but we hope to see the new V10 TDI put into production. Competitors. 2014 Giugiaro Parcour. The new Nanook concept seems like a German response to an Italian-designed crossover. The Parcour is powered by a Lamborghini-sourced 5.2-liter V10 engine that delivers a total of 550 horsepower and sprints the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, which is nearly identical to what the Nanook can do. The problem with both the Parcour and the Nanook is that they are both concepts, so don't get your hopes up. Conclusion. To say that the Nanook is a wild design study is an understatement. In fact, we think pipe dream is a better term, as the chances of this very un-Audi-looking model ever seeing showrooms are slim to none. However, it is still a cool concept, and that 5.0-liter TDI engine is nothing short of automotive ridiculousness. Please, please, please Audi, put this engine into production at some point. Love it. Powerful TDI engine, great exterior color, disgustingly fast and capable of handling all types of surfaces. Leave it. The exterior design is too bulky, never in a million years will it see a showroom floor.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.